Hey everybody, what do you say we fire up this Masterbuilt 560, cook something, stink up the neighborhood a little bit. Check it out. Got our Tiger McCool fire cup in there. Now I got them big ones, and I cut them things into 4 pieces because they burn a long time, and I don't need that much to start this Masterbuilt with. So I cut them up a little bit. That'll do the trick. Got some FOGO charcoal in there, a few pieces of oak wood, some oak wood down in the bottom of the ash bin. Yes sirree. We're gonna cook us some pork country style ribs. We got them all slathered up good with some Uncle Steve's competition pig shake. Gonna make this neighborhood smell real good. Got this little riser right here from Tiger McCool's also. He makes them just for this. Hangs right across that ash bin. Look here. That thing's gonna burn plenty long enough to get that started. Yes, sir. One thing I have found out about this Masterbuilt is it's a lot better to use lump charcoal than it is to use briquettes, because when the ash falls down in that ash bin, the lump charcoal has little pieces that are still on fire and they drop down on that wood, and it gives you a lot better smoke. Whereas a briquette turns to ash before it falls down in there, and it don't burn the wood up near as good. So that's just my opinion. I'm sticking to it. Tell you what, being here on Southwest Florida, there is plenty of oak wood to be had right now, because it is everywhere. I got me some off of one of my jobs. I'm gonna get me some more here too. Got me some good buttonwood also, smoke my mullet with. Got a little dude down there getting him a bath in the gutter. Ain't that something? Hey, we got these ribs from Costco the other day, and I took half of them, put them in a food saver bag after I coated them real good with some Uncle Steve's competition pig shake on the 13th of this month. So they've been in there for 3 days. It's time to put these on the grill. They ought to be just right, I'm hoping. Good old Dexter knife. These opened up here. See what we got. Look at that. Well, that seasoning ought to be in there real good. Get these out of this here bag. Look at this. Look at there. That's half of them right there. So there was 10 of them in that pack. Let's go ahead and get these on the grill. We're gonna cook these right at about 295, I believe it is. Put them on this bottom grate. Line them right up, just like that. Put one this way. All right, we'll see you in about 2 hours. Well, it's been about an hour and a half. Let's check it out, take a peek. Look at there. Coming along nice. Yes, sir. Won't be long now. We're gonna have us some barbecued country style ribs. See y'all in a little bit. Alright, look at here. It's time to put a little sauce on these. We're gonna finish them up with a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Get these things just right. Go with that Uncle Steve shake. They're gonna be perfect. Let these sit here for just a little bit more. Then we're gonna pull them off. Give them another 15 minutes maybe. Looky there. Ah. Now we're talking. Alright. Time has come. Let's get these babies off of here and get them in the house. Alright. Time to slice this baby open, see what we got here. Oh, that's tender. Look at there. Nice looking smoke ring on that, ain't there? What do you think about this? That's right on. Alright guys, that's it for today. We'll see you on the next video. Like, subscribe, give me a comment. That's how you do some country style ribs on the Masterbuilt 560. Y'all have a good one. See you next week.